Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor Mawkasiang.
Kakong WAM booth kabalong ka Jaiñ Secretary Jokatnat Sericulture and Weaving ka Sorkar Jela hanya ka singi Jaiñ santarik upanai Jemang kala Plie ka Jaka Hikai Thaiñ kabadan hakasnong umro Mawkasiang East Khasiels District ya kabalatip kerteng kum kanela handloom training center kom production unit ya kani ka Jaka Thaiñ kabala seng do ba James E Dakhar ubalong nong Thaiñ Ryndia la Beijing rapisa Jokatnat Sericulture and Weaving ka Sorkar Jela ringkat ba ka jingi trilang jong ka GIZ lani ka balatip kum ka German cooperation kat kum balayo jing tip kini ki Jaiñ Ryndia bala Thaiñ na kani ka Slam Thaiñ Ryndia la penpoi wat shakiwai pat kiri jong ka perthai kum Shari France Germany bat kum ta ter ka jing dawai ki Jaiñ Ryndia bala penmi na kani ka Slam Thaiñ Ryndia ka thnem bha ha kini kiri jong ka doba Europe ha kani ka singi lai don lang u Andreas Müller u balong u nong penwandor ka kor Thaiñ kabala ban penyok nong ya kinong Thaiñ kun thubru yu Dr. Peter Gross u balong director jong ka CCANER u ba penyat sing CM MDC ka Sorenkham constituency u ba Vivek CM superintendent of police ka West Gentle Hills bat kiwi
One clip you brio uba la revolutionize kenika loom ba Andreas Müller. Thank you ba Andreas Müller. You know, coming all the way from Germany. I bet in your wildest dream you never even heard of Sri Lanka, right? Well, Andreas Müller, and this is for the press. Let us not forget Andreas Müller. He revolutionized the weaving, the loom. He made it more economical. People can buy it now. I think it costs about 7,500 rupees. How long does it take to make it? A day? A week?
If I do one on my own, it's 3.5 days, including buying the wood. But if you make a production, maybe you can make more in a day.
Alright, so he's not only revolutionized the loom, you can make it in 3 days. It costs just 7,500 rupees. It increases production. That is most important because we're always talking about production. And not only has Andreas Müller helped us by revolutionizing the loom, Peter Gross over here is helping us with marketing, isn't it? They're marketing the products. Now that is a problem here for me. Even if you want to products from the money, you do marketing. We lack marketing skills, isn't it? We welcome your help, your support, your assistance. They how can you global warming, isn't it? Kung ka industry, ka kharkhana, hindi ban replicate, haman la kishnong, hindi ba ka employment. Taba is also, it will all, like, Peter Gross has talked about, not only income generation. In the crunch, kung ka project na po sarkar, ka bangi prakhat, kabaning kong kalong ba, will it increase the income of the people? If it increases the income of the people, we're talking about livelihood, we're talking about income generation, we're talking about increasing their standard of living.
So, ban penpau jikumen pakram, ba hangi po ka konstituensi kelungi ngidon kum jong bajir bayo ketika jingkai juru nak kamta ketika la ya kaban om tak haladi ban yo ketika start kalau pelayo ia ketika jingkai ban Thaiñ ndrei pimshimla bat tak haladi ndrei beli kamat sikwe pat kena sama ban yo la mi ketika jingkai ia kaban long kalat yo kam yo jam ban kumju ia kaban kan long kalat yang ini kipai bat susunong jom ketika jelam iklia ni yo ban thir dan ni yo ban penerkam ya kini tiang kita kiban la ban demi nak kenika center ke jopi de kermen ba kenika jing sedang ke jopi kan long ka jingjo bat niru nak kene jungi ngin ai ka full support dari ke jingkashan hakino kiliang sina ka yang ka government ru community ba kan shimkya ina Jaiñ Secretary la dan hangi asmo ba ka jingdan ke jungi ru yo ban take off ke issue of the government ya kaban nang la ban encourage nang la ban issue ki bai bat ki center ki ban mi ki bai bat ki Jaka